Android Wear smartwatches are shipping, which means you can get a Samsung Gear Live or an LG G Watch right now. Once you do, you'll be swiping through your notifications and searching Google with your voice like a champ. But now that it's out, you can also do something else. Load up your watch with apps. There aren't a ton of apps available yet, but of the 30 or so that we've checked out, there are at least a few that are worth your time. Luckily, installing an Android Wear app is simple. You just install or update an existing app on your phone, and if it has an Android Wear component, that part is automatically installed on your watch. There's a few different kinds of apps for your wrist. The first and easiest way is to just take advantage of Android's built-in rich notification system. Android already lets you see and do stuff right from the notification shade on your phone, and those same features can work on your watch too. So, when you install an app like OneWeather, its notification gives you a detailed forecast you can swipe through. Other apps that haven't been fully updated for Wear sort of work. You can fave and retweet from Twitter, for example, but you need to bust out your phone if you want to reply. The best way to integrate with Android Wear is to take advantage of its default voice search actions. Right now, those include some basic things like take a note or call a car. By far, the best app to take advantage of this feature is Evernote. You just say, "Okay Google, take a note," and then speak, and it turns itself into a quick note that's saved right into your notebooks in the cloud. If you're already an Evernote user, or if you just don't want to use Google Keep, it's pretty great. You can also say start Evernote, and then open up your to-do lists, checking off stuff from your shopping list while keeping one hand on the cart. The app with the biggest wow factor here is Lyft. Just say, "Okay Google, call me a car," and the app will automatically figure out your location and then hail a driver. Be careful though, if you're showing off to your friends, you only have a few seconds to hit cancel before the app actually does what you tell it to. But apps can actually do all sorts of other stuff on Android Wear. There's a hidden little start menu inside the watch, which gives you access to everything that's installed on it. You don't have to dig for it though. Instead, you can just say something like, "Okay Google, start Eat24," and soon you'll be presented with swipeable, tappable cards that will have a pizza en route to you immediately. If you're interested in unclogging your arteries afterwards, both Runkeeper and Runtastic work with Android Wear. Another great app is Duolingo, the app that helps you learn new languages. The Wear version gives you flashcards. They let you quickly refresh your vocabulary lessons that you've run through in the full app. You don't have to talk to your watch for this one, but it's an easy way to pass a couple of minutes and learn something while you do it. Right now, the apps we're most hoping for are custom watch faces to replace the built-in options. There's one already, it's a binary clock for nerds, but there are more to come. Until then, have fun talking to your watch, and someday, I promise, it won't feel super weird.